everyone, this is Sherry. Today I'm going to introduce our Halot One for all of you. Now let's open the box. This is the printing platform. And this is the printer. This is the power cable. And this is the tool package, and including the data card, brush, and the user manual, and so on inside. And here is the film for the 3D printer. So this is everything in the box. Now let's connect the power with the cable. This is a 5-inch full view touchscreen, and it uses Creality self-developed operating system. Usually the slicing software on the market is cumbersome, but our 3D printer is equipped with the self-developed slicing software. The interface is very simple, and the operation is also very simple. Some of the slicing parameters are customizable, so even if you are a beginner, you can easily to get started in seconds. Our Halot One has a very powerful inner core. It uses our self-developed mainboard. It's a 64-bit and 4-core CPU similar to a mobile phone. Can 3D printer also be upgraded online? Sure. Our Halot One can upgrade online just like a mobile phone. It supports new firmware and a new system upgrade online with one click. Our Halot One 3D printer uses integral light source which developed by Creality. Usually it's composed of multiple miniature light source, and each miniature light source is composed of 4 light-emitting chips, and the light source energy uniformity can reach more than 80%, and the light source is very uniform. Generally speaking, all lamp-based will age and decay when used for a period of time. All other light source structure cannot avoid this problem. However, our integral light source can ensure that the uniformity of the light source will not be affected when the light source and the individual lamp base decay. And the compensation is provided on the screen so as to ensure normal printing. And now I'll show you how to use this 3D printer. First, let's click Settings. And we can see there are many settings. We can click the parameter setting first and check all these settings. You can adjust them according to your requirement. First, let's do the leveling. Let's click the Z axis and auto homing. Now let's loosen the hand screw and then put the printing platform into the printer. Now tighten the hand screw. Take out the resin vat. Next, let's use the driver screw to loosen these 4 screws. Okay, it's loosened now. Now let's put one paper on the printing platform and then click leveling. Use one hand to press the printing platform and use the driver screw to tighten the screw. After tightening 4 screws, let's auto-homing again and take out the paper. The platform plate has been tightened now. Then put the resin vat on the printing platform again and tighten the screw. Let's put the finished model into the U-disc and then insert into the 3D printer. Pour the resin into the resin vest. Now let's start printing and let's click File and choose the file you want. Click twice and click Start. Let's put on the cover. It starts printing now. Let's check the printing effect after 1 hour. Now the printing is finished. Let's check the printing effect. Wow, the printing effect is very good and the surface is very smooth. So you can also try to print a model by yourself with a 3D resin printer.